Lumberco. We are continuing where we had left off. Well, I had done a teensy bit, mainly because sometimes I just do random stuff when I'm bored. What was that? I made a termite colony and a palm tree for them to snack on. Also, in the future, I could make a termite city. A fancy totem. Oh, I can actually make that now. Ooh, beaver points. You're getting quite handy with it. You're getting quite handy. Oh yeah, I was doing like that weird accent before. You're getting quite handy with those lumberbots. Someday, I'll teach you to make the most advanced one, the 4.0 model. I feel like I'm giving him like a male Peppa Pig voice. Like if George could actually talk, this is what he would sound like. Anyways. Someday I will teach you how to make the most advanced one. The 5.0 model, Mr. Casey. I've been watching South Park. Also, just so everyone knows, I'm playing this while the editor is editing the previous video. Well, I believe my editor's done. But editor, remember, put extra memes in this one. I know you'd like put like a weird face somewhere. I don't remember where you put it. I think you had told me. I forgot. Yeah. But remember, put extra memes. Because you must know you still have your friend. What? Oh yeah, a thing I do sometimes, I threaten my editor's life. Usually gets them to work faster. Funny thing. We have the sound. What? Oh, I need water. Alright. It reminds me of the time that I built an exact duplicate of myself, with fur and everything. Wait, did he have? I think most of the male audience know what I'm talking about. I hate myself. Why do I do this? Yeah. But the silly thing didn't realize that it was a lumberbot and tried to take over the place. I had to whack it with a shovel and bury it. Can you imagine? A robot thinking he was the real thing? Bleep blop. Whoa. Excuse me. Bleep bloop. Whoa, excuse me. Alright, so he's probably the robot. Now go clean yourself up. You got a hot date tonight. She's your soulmate. I can just feel it. Another one of the dates. It's probably gonna be a termite. It's gonna be a termite. It is gonna be a goddamn termite. If it is not a termite, I will scream. I know, I eat like bird. I get that a lot. My name is Jeffrey, by the way. Bro's gay. Also remember how I said it was more efficient doing this? Look. So I have 41 common wood. How much lumber do I have right now? I have 6 lumber. If I do this, I only get 5 lumber. I think actually a little bit less. Ooh, tokens. Also, I got a lumberbot 3.0. Also, I have this thing called petrified wood. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Anyways, so it's actually more convenient to do this. Even though it takes a whole lot longer. Also, if my editor can figure out how to like set up a little segment where it's just faster, he'll do that. If he can't, he'll just put like the time you should go to of the video. That is when I am done this part. So you're gonna see this a lot. And also when I finish this game fully, we're gonna go on to the horror version. I'm gonna hate myself a lot. That is what I am gonna be. I am gonna be hating myself for a few weeks. Also, I've gotten a lot more beaver points. Also, I found out what these are. These are termite tokens. So if I go to... God dang it! What should I make? Soon I'll get the thing for Lumberbot 5.0. What the... Fog Tower! Termite City. Fancy Totem. Fungus Farm. Beach truffles, swamp mushes, seaweed. Ooh. I hate myself. Why do I do this? That's it. Those are some happy termites. We haven't had a good topical meal since we swiped through the island on that feeding frenzy. There's no sound in the world like thousands of villagers running for their lives. Those were the good days. But now if you really want to make some termites happy, build us one of those giant wooden tiki beds. What a feast that would be. That would make this old termite very happy, oh yes. Here's your reward. Oh, I got more termite tokens. Thanks. Let's see what's in the shop. Why is there nothing that costs him? What is a jumbo acorn? I'm gonna save for that. What is diamond sap? Oh, there's a minigame. Nobody understands the frog quest. What? I think I did it! I found it floating in the water. Doesn't seem like anything useful. Do you want it? I'll take it. Tiki leaves. The tiki... What is that?
Oops, a visitor. It gets so lonely out here. I'll trade these old machine parts for some of those wonderful wooden seagulls.
I need 5 carved seagulls for a rusted saw. Oh, that's probably a part of making like the wood chipper 5.0. Oh, there's a shop here. I forgot about that. Old wood owl pet gets wood from the treetops. Oh. So now I like get wood from like trees I'm around, I guess. I'm gonna say for the jumbo acorn, because I do not know what that does. Oh, it actually didn't fall for once. Now I gotta make that tiki thing. The fancy totem. I need more rich wood. Let's see. Okay, time to get serious. Make me a fancy totem with the materials you have. If you're missing anything, you'll have to go find it. I have an idea. I go all the way over here. I grab this. The red acorn makes red trees only. But what did I need for it again? I got enough for Lumberbot 3.0. Giant tiki bird. A giant bird. Nope, it just makes redwood. Well, this is gonna take a while. So I'm gonna just go for a little bit. Ah, I'm back and oh my god. So I got a petrified wood. I'll just cut these down. There we go. And also, I got more beaver points. Things are looking good out there. I think most beavers were staging an invasion of some sort. Concerning invasions, you probably noticed that the termites have slipped some of their own designs into my blueprints. I wouldn't recommend building those. I also wouldn't recommend accepting gifts from them, such as gigantic wooden horses. I had a bad experience with that once. Actually twice. The second time it was all pink and brushable hair. I could have just eaten it up. Needless to say, it was a trap. Many lives were lost. And they deserved it. Alright, so that guy's probably a robot. Found a day for you. I found her in the thicket, but don't let that scare you. Go get cleaned up. You smell like a brush pile. Isn't that a good thing? Also, I'm eating peanut butter right now. Now it's one of the totem birds. Voodoo's stronger than love. I fall in voodoo with you. He looked like he would have a Russian accent. Wait, who gave me grapes? Who gave me grapes? give me grapes? Now there's the crab cabana and the starfish rock. Oh, that's the first thing to take petrified wood. Great, now listen. I owe the frogs a favor from way back. Will you build a frog tower for them? Let's see. Plans. I need more seaweed. This old chipper used to make giant woodcutting robots. He left them abandoned in the woods. You'll find all sorts of interesting things down there, and even more uninteresting things like this. Minigame. Things bounce on my head. Bounce, bounce, bounce. I watch people while they sleep. Oh yeah, there's some fungal fertilizer. This is the supercharger watering can. You've impressed me. Perhaps we can work together. You're not so bad for a river dweller. Perhaps we've misjudged. So he was the one that gave me grapes. In the maze.
Find it, and I'll give you a special item.
Yes! I'm impressed. I'll give you a red acorn. Use it where there's empty soil and it will plant all red trees. There's the one I was dating. The fat and smelly Riverball team called. They want their mascot back. Trade with us. Duh. Can't even trade. Don't have stuff. Give the trees drugs. You touch my trees, I give you drugs. What has this become? drugs, it is tasty for them. Plant another tree. Give him drugs. Give him drugs. Need normal lumber and moss lumber. My water plant is warming now. I need to buy the jumbo acorn. I am a poor bastard. Now, from this, I should get some more seaweed. So I said, Phil, what do I have in my pocket? He was like, you mean your fat rolls? I was like, rude, smoothie time. Don't let the jellyfish get past. Defeat Papa Jelly and I'll give you a special item. How do I do this? I'm not playing mobile crap. Yes, I did it! Alright, so I can use those. That was smooth! I'll give you a green acorn, use it where there's empty soil and it'll plant all green trees. Alright, so it just plants a ton of mold. Neato. Hey buddy, you gotta... Give me seaweed. Plants. Frog tower. So I need normal lumber and moss. Yep, this is gonna take a while. So you're the one giving me grapes. I'm gonna go all the way. not so bad for a river dweller. Perhaps you misjudged me. I'll take another one force the alcohol down the tree's roots. What did... peanut butter. That would be nice.
Never trust a termite unless you build a raft made of termites. I should I be chewing on this?
Ooh, weed. A shooting star fell to earth right over there. It was a magical sight. This is what it was.
Things bounce on my head. Bounce, bounce, bounce. While they sleep. Oh yeah, there's some fertilizer. You can just supercharge your watering gland and to give the trees jobs.
What am I doing with my life? I hate myself. Wait, wasn't the bird guy giving up? God dang it, he was giving up God dang it. Give me seaweed. Tree. drugged my watering can. Pre-drug. Gonna wait until the drug turns off. It's done. There's no mosswood.
Jump over bridge, easy right? Get 2,000 points, I'll give you a special item.
Alright, this makes it a lot easier. This marshmallow. Will this marshmallow ever get toasted? I think it mouse. Did I get So Phil said I'm gonna lay on the beach, and when people come out, I'll be like, psych, he was like a moron. Let's see what you have to give me. Tiki leaves. Cool.
Ooh, a visitor. It gets lonely out here. I'll trade these old machine parts off for some of those wonderful wooden sails.
A vintage generator. I'll take it. Toolkit, auto whip skins. Unlimited rainstorms. Super watering can. Mini Bruce. Frog's key. No idea what any of those are supposed to be for. And what? Also, I've heard there. I remember I'd seen like an original. These idiots. The plague of giant smelly rats is upon us. Oh, no, wait. It's a beaver. How I wish it were they trade with us. Petrified bird sturdy lumber? Sure. I don't care what you have to say. It's optional, you don't have to, but if you want to, you can. It helps me a lot. Helps me make this good content because honestly, I don't remember how much subscribers I have. So, thank you all of you for watching my videos. Now that'll be at the end of this video. And remember, now for all the videos I make, I'm going to try to put the link to the Discord in the